Hey guys, so TimeFarm will be distributing their airdrop, and also guess what? It's not just distributing; it's all about converting it to time token. You know what you've been farming on Telegram is seconds. So this time the seconds will be converted to time, which is the token. And guess what? The time is currently trading on a couple of exchanges: OKX, Bybit, MXO, Biget, Gate.io, and all of that. And the all-time high of this time token is $72. That's massive, which has a and it also has a current price of $12. So it has done an all-time high, as you can see from the charts here. You can see from the charts here on Bybit Exchange, you are seeing $72. Let me see the day it got to $72. I want to know how possible it is for us to likely retest. Okay, 2023, March 2023, the all-time high for time token was $72 as of March 2023. So now we are currently having $12 as the current price. And the thing is, what I'm presuming, like, even if this token did not get to $72, this is a second high, yeah, which happened on last year, March 2024. So it got to $47. So what am I trying to say in essence? There is high possibility, and we also have an all-time high November 2024 as well at $32. So now, what am I trying to say in essence? There is high possibility that if you receive these tokens, you eventually make money from it. When I posted the updates on my Telegram community, on my Telegram channel, and in case you're not there yet, you can subscribe to my Telegram channel. Check the link in the pinned post in the comment section or the description box of this video. Subscribe so that you don't miss out on my first and update as well. Also, make sure you're subscribing on YouTube and turn on your notification bell. With that, you will not miss out on any of my updates at all. So what am I saying in essence is that because we are still expecting the bull run, or what's it called, the market movement in a very bullish way, there is high probability that this coin might retest the all-time high, or this second all-time high, or the third all-time high. When I posted the update that 200 million time token seconds will be converted to time token, people were like 200 million seconds will be converted to one time token according to their team announcement. People were like, this is dust, something. But at the long run, I'm sensing USDT. I don't know about you, but if you are sitting on at least 200 million pieces, or 1 billion pieces, or 500 million pieces of this of the seconds, and they said 200 million pieces per one token. So with the current price, that is $12. 100 million pieces of the second point that you've been earning will be converted to one token, one time token, which is currently at $12. So now let's assume you are able to hold, which I'm expecting you to. If you don't have much, let's assume you are able to hold and you are getting it gets to the all-time high in the bull, that's $72. So I need to open your eyes to these opportunities, because some people just believe like, am I getting just $12 from from Airdrop? But the thing is, it's not just $12. There is potential in holding because of this all-time high where the coin is currently coming from. If the coin gets to the all-time high of $72, or probably it gets to do more than that, maybe we can say $100 and what have you. And for them to be giving 200 million pieces for one token, for one time token, it means that there is a lot of bullish procrastination that is coming to this token. So 200, it means that if you have like 1 billion pieces, you'll be having like 5 TimeFarm token. If you have 1 billion pieces, you'll be having like 5 time token. And here is another way to get additional seconds. I dropped the video codes to my Telegram community, and I'll be dropping it on my YouTube channel. Check the description box of this video. the video code to earn you extra 3 million time farm token. And as they also mentioned from their TG channel, they mentioned that get 3 million seconds. You can earn nearly 3 million seconds by completing all the tasks in the task section. Just so you remember, no shortcut. We are keeping an eye on you. Tasks are ready, reward are waiting, and doing things the right way pays off. Meaning that you need to complete the video tags on the TimeFarm page. When you complete the video tags by watching video and submitting code, and trust me, I already collected all the code. I posted it earlier on Telegram today, and I'll also be posting it in the description box of this video, so you can use this video code to attempt all the video tasks on their mini app farming. So with that, you'll be able to earn extra 3 million seconds. So, and it's adding up like that. And also for those that staked, if you stake, for the fact that TG is near, I will advise you that once your staking elapses, do not stake again, except you don't want them to convert your staking to you don't want them to convert your seconds to time. Once it's stake, that means there's no way they will convert your available balance. So I will just advise you, since the TG is closer, the moment your staked token elapses, just make sure you claim to your available balance and await their TG announcement. Currently, their latest announcement is that the conversion is coming. Let me see. They announced that, okay, the listing mechanism are sorted. You see, listing news, what's coming next? The listing mechanism are sorted, and we will be distributing time tokens on all popular exchanges like Coinbase, Bybit, Gate.io, KuCoin, PancakeSwap, and others. We are getting ready for the conversion of your seconds into time within the app. To make sure the drop is fair and honest, we are verifying tax completion, blocking scam accounts. Start on the verification process will be available soon. Important, the new time watch model is on its way. The newer your watch model, the faster you get drop. After the watch release, we will update the farming mechanism and the second to time conversion will begin. So according to their information with this, you should not stake your seconds for now, at least. And also verifying task completion. So you have to make sure that all the tasks you are doing, you have to complete it. Enter the code. They are not supporting. They are trying to filter a lot of things from the earnings that you've gotten so far. So blocking scam accounts, of course, multiple accounts, scams accounts, all of those things, they are blocking. So don't be surprised if you get blocked. They've already announced it. Multiple accounts, scam accounts, incompleted task, they are going to withdraw the earnings from you. So I think this is the current update about the time token. Stay tuned for their subsequent updates. Make sure check the description box of this video to get the verification codes for the video task. So guys, this is the updates about TimeFarm. Stay tuned for their conversion withdrawal, because the time token has already been listed. So there is no need to wait for listing. The coin is already listed, or the token is already listed. Just the conversion. The moment you are converting, then you'll be able to send to any of these exchanges. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. Join my Telegram community. Check the link in the pin post in the comment section or the description box of this video. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.